Hi all, today we will learn about paste and join command. Okay, so for that I will create two files, cat file 1. Hi all, how are you today? Okay, control D, and I am creating a file number 2, file 2. Hi all, how are you today? This is file 2, control D. So we have a file 1 and cat file 2. So is almost having the same content. So what paste do? Paste file 1 space file 2. So if I hit enter, what I will get is just concatenate both file content column by column. So this is the first column of my file 1, hi all, how are you today? And this is the file 2, hi all, how are you today? This is file 2, because file 1 is not having this line, so it's showing tab or blank line over here. So it's just concatenating that file by column. Okay, so if you want to compare two files value, you can paste it. You can use the paste command, so it will give you a value by column, and you can compare like this. How are you today? How are you today? But h is caps in this, and this is having the lowercase h. So in that case, you can compare, or this is a line belongs to file 2 but is having blank line. Now I am going to append cat file 1, so you will able to see. Okay, overwrite is cat. This is file 1. Okay, control D. Now if I use paste command, you will see this is file 1, this is file 2. So in this manner you can use this. Okay, so paste command is just concatenating both the files column by column. Now we will see the join command, join. So join file 1 file 2. So what's happening here? Hi all, this is file 1 is file 2. So what joining is doing? Join is joining the field and removing redundant field that you are getting a value which are present in the both the lines. Is like database joining. Okay, so we have a content like cat file 1 cat file 2. So what joined in hi continuously, two words are hi, sorry, so it's remove h, hi all we got. Okay, then how are you today is the same line in both the files, so it's remove that file. This is file 1 and this is again we are using is file 2. So it's join the file 1 and file 2, redundant the continuously use same line. In this way you can use the paste command. Okay, so see you in the next video.